everyone, this is Greg, and this is the what you should know before starting the basic GreLig HTML tutorial. Here I will show you how to make a basic web page. The basic web page has 4 elements. This is what it will look like. See the paragraph? This is pretty much where all your information will be. This is the most basic web page you can make, and all you really need to know before you start this tutorial. Now, this is how every web page is started, with the HTML tag. It starts a web page and it lets a browser know this is where the actual page will start. Within the web page there are many tags. The 4 main ones that we are going to go over is the next one, which is the head tag. Within the head tag there are many things that go into it, such as the meta, title, and also CSS or other type of linking, or just CSS inline text. But for now we will just leave it with the title, which will just say title. Within the title brackets it says title, such as here. Whatever text you write within the brackets will display on the browser tab that is on pretty much every browser nowadays. Once we finish in the head section, we have to close it with the close tag for head. The close tags always have a backward slash in them. This allows the browser to know that the element you have specified has ended. Every element that has a start tag usually has an end tag, such as paragraphs. Some elements that do not have an end tag are such as the line break, which has instead, after the BR, which means break, you have a space, a backward slash, and the close tag. That is a whole tag. You don't need an end tag. It's just a start and an end tag within one. Next, after the head tag, is the body. This is where all your content will go, such as paragraphs, tables, and such. All of which you will learn in this tutorial and the others available on GreLig.com. This is a paragraph. Remember to never use capital letters in your tags, as I almost just did. This is all we're going to put in the body for now that you should know about. Now we'll end the body. And now that we've ended the body, nothing else will come after it usually in your web pages. So you just end with the end tag for HTML. This lets the web browser know that your web page is ended and that it should not display anything more. If you forget it, you have no idea what will happen to your web page. It's very unpredictable. So don't ever forget it. Now we will save, and you will see this appear here because this is the HTML document. See, I've refreshed the page because I just saved it, and this is the web page we have just created. And so note that within this tutorial, any text that appears in italics is meant to be within brackets, such as this. See the BR? It's in italics. That means you should have it in brackets like this. This equals this within this basic HTML tutorial. You won't have to worry about this in the other tutorials. This was done on this tutorial because of the simplicity of the web pages. Having special characters such as the brackets requires a doc type and such, which you will learn about in the advanced HTML tutorial. On every web page within the basic HTML tutorial, we wrote it as a basic HTML user. So none of them have doc types and none of them can support special characters. Correction. Well, they can, but it's highly unrecommended because of the doc type makes it better for every browser to read it correctly. Because of that, the doc type, every browser might read it differently. Therefore, you should use the doc type if you want to use special characters and other advanced HTML elements within your web page. This concludes the basic HTML, what you should know about HTML tutorial.